Are you guys looking for a single story home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, we are going to be previewing the Havenwood community by Taylor Morrison. We're going to be looking specifically at the Rose floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with EXP Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so welcome to Havenwood by Taylor Morrison. Now this is a single story community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. The nearest cross streets is going to be Blue Diamond in Decatur. So there's plenty of restaurants, stores close by, okay? Easy access to the, so this is Blue Diamond. If you just take Blue Diamond, just maybe drive for about a minute and a half, you'll get to the 15 freeway. And then we're really close to the airport as well as the strip, okay? So something really good about the Southwest area, if you are deciding which location is right for you. The Southwest area is, best thing about it is just easy access to the freeway and closer to the Las Vegas airport as well as the strip, okay? Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer four different floor plans here, okay? All ranging from about 2,000 square feet all the way up to about 2,700, 2,800 square feet. Base prices ranging from $524,900 all the way up to $628,900. Now guys, when you look at the base price, just know that you would have to, if you want the out the door price, you have to add the lot premium as well as the upgrades, okay? And that's your out the door price. Now, something pretty crazy about this community, you guys, is it just opened up January. Yeah, not even like about 2 months ago. This community they had a total of 30 lots in this community. Now, as of today, which is March 13, everything is sold except for 9 lots, okay? So I'll post this sheet on the screen for you guys. So if you look at lots 23 and 25, so those are going to be quick move-in homes, spec homes. That means the builders picked out all the options, okay? So you got the Iris, the Orchid, and the Rose floor plan. They have yet to release the model, lot 29 and 30. So this is lot 29, which is the model. They'll release that later. And they have lot 30, which you could build from lot up. You'll also have lot 8 and lot 7 right over there, right over here actually. That's going to be a quick move-in as well. You'll also have lot 3, 5, and 6. Those are building from lot up. You could choose between the Hydrangea or Iris floor plan. There is no lot premium on those, okay? That's just how they're looking right now. Also, as far as the HOA goes, guys, it's $95 a month, and it is not gated, okay? So yeah, let's get this tour started. All right, welcome everyone to the Rose floor plan. Now the Rose floor plan is going to be the largest floor plan in this community. This is the only one that's modeled. But yeah, it ranges from 2,531 square feet to 2,756 square feet. It's going to be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1-story, and a 3-car garage, 2 to 3-car garage. So 3-car garage is standard, but if you want to turn this into a multi-gen suite, then it would just be the 2-car garage, okay? The base price as of today is $628,900, but as of today, March 13th, there's only 2. I mean, they pretty much sold out in this community. They have 2 more Rose plan floor plans available. That's going to be lot 25, and it's a quick move-in, so it's $735,000. All the options are already selected, and then they're going to release the model house, which is this house that we're touring. But that's going to be it for the Rose plan in this community, okay? So yeah, let's take a look. You have a nice little courtyard right here. Taylor Morrison's they're opening up another community close by, and they're going to offer the Orchid and the Rose floor plan. So just in case you miss out on this opportunity, you will have another opportunity a little bit later. Now, I was told that the prices are going to start a bit higher at that other community. So as soon as you walk in, you have this nice wide hall right here. So you're gonna have your living room, kitchen over there. Right over here, you're gonna have like your bedroom. So this is gonna be your multi-gen suite, okay? Also, you got the 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, which is beautiful. So welcome to your multi-gen. So you have a full bath right here. Oh, and just a heads up guys, with this model, I want to say like for the quick move-ins and when people that build from lot up, they're normally putting about 10% in upgrades, 10% of the base price in upgrades. But this model house is, they put a lot of upgrades here guys. I think I was told that they put about 180,000. So that's almost like 3 times the amount that normal buyers are putting in to these homes and the spec homes. Okay, so you have a really good sized bedroom right here. See, this is going to be the next gen. Now, if you didn't have this next gen standard, you would have, this would be a garage. Okay. But yeah, what a next gen suite is, if you guys are unfamiliar. So a next gen suite is like a personal, it's like a personal living space within a house. So it's going to have your own entry door. Next gen suites always have its own entry door. They have a half kitchen. So, you know, you'll have a sink, you'll have like the refrigerator, okay? And then you'll have your full bath. You'll have a little living room area, bedroom, full bath. Now, the only thing that it's really missing is just like, you know, an oven and a, like a cooktop and an oven. So next gens are ideal for, let's say, if you wanted to, if you're going to live with a roommate and you wanted them to stay in the next gen suite, they have their own private space. Or if your in-laws are going to move in with you, or if you just have family living with you, or it's also a really great place to stay if you just, you know, like if you have guests. I'm sure your guests will appreciate staying in the next gen suite. Now, what is standard though is you will have pre-wire to the ceiling fans in all the bedrooms and the great room, as well as the primary bedroom, of course. Okay, so we got this hallway right over here. This is going to be your full bath. Okay. So we got the shower tub combo. We got the dual sinks. But yeah, what you're seeing here is all optional. I mean, as far as like the cabinet selection, the black pulls, even the flooring. Now remember, when it comes to new builds, buyers always upgrade the floorings, because the standard flooring in a new build is you're pretty much gonna have carpet all throughout except for the bedrooms. Okay, and that's for single story homes. So you're gonna have tile. It's normally gonna be that 17 by 17 tile in the wet areas, and then you'll have carpet all throughout. So the wet areas is going to be the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, entryway. Okay, so this is another guest bedroom. Okay, so we have a full-size bed right here. Pretty spacious room. Say this is like an 11 by 12. Yeah, so this community, the grand opening was mid-January, and yeah, it's crazy. They sold most of their homes here. They only have nine left. That's pretty wild. Okay, so welcome to the secondary bedroom. Now, also guys, if you are interested in visiting a new build community, do me a favor, shoot me a text, give me a call. I definitely would be glad to join you on your very first visit to help you out with this process. But if you're using a realtor already, you know, at least let them know, have them come with you on your very first visit. Because one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to show up by yourself, because once the builder agent gets your name, email, and all that stuff, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation from from a realtor because we look after your best interest. We negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable, and the builder agents, they look after the builder's best interest. So that's something that's really important to note. Also, the builders pay the agent realtor fees. So it's definitely a no-brainer. It's a win-win for you. Okay, so you have the laundry room right here. This is cool because, it'll connect to the primary bedroom. Very convenient there. Everything that you're seeing here is optional as far as like with the cabinets. Okay, the washer and dryer. So you do have your attic access right up there. Welcome to your primary closet. Okay, I love the 8-foot doors and 9-foot ceilings. So right here, we're entering like the primary bath. So definitely upgraded shower right here. Beautiful tile surround. Guessing the standard would be like a separate shower tub or just a like a walk-in shower, like a smaller walk-in shower. Okay. So you have your toilet room right here. Now this is your primary bedroom. Okay, so you do have these 2 windows right over here, along with those windows. So as you can see, we are getting some natural light in the room. Okay, and you're gonna have your thermostat right here. All right, so welcome to the main living area, living room, kitchen, dining room. Okay. Now right over here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. This is gonna be the powder room, and then this is the den. Okay, so your guest powder room. Check out this amazing den. Great if you're working from home. This could be like your office right here. I know so many people work remote right now. Okay, again, that's the garage, but that is the sales office at the moment. So it feels very open here. Okay, love the flow. Okay, really good sized kitchen, very spacious. Now right over here, you're gonna have your pantry. So you do have a walk-in pantry. Now, everything that you're seeing in this kitchen is optional, guys, okay? Beautiful kitchen. So we got the backsplash, the 42-inch white cabinets, okay, shaker style cabinets, modern black pulls. As we even got like the LED lights right under the cabinets. Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Very open. Okay. So yeah, this is an interesting, it's pretty interesting how the floor plan set up with all the bedrooms are going to be on that side. And then, yeah, pretty much over here, you're just going to have your main living area, like your den and your garage. So But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this floor plan in the comments below. Also, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, guys, shoot me a text, give me a call. I'd love to help you out with the process. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.